Hello everyone, welcome to the WEILO tutorial. In this video, let's learn how to apply effects. If you go to Effect in browser, from video effects such as color correction, mosaic, blur, and chroma key, to audio effects such as audio filters, EQ, and reverb. Various effects are provided free of charge and are constantly being updated. Then, let's see how to apply the effect. Chapter 1. Understand independent effect clips. Effect clips can be used in two ways. First, it's an independent effect clip. Drag and drop the desired effect into an empty space on the timeline. This effect clip that fits into one track is an independent effect clip. Using independent effect clips, you can apply the effect to all clips in the track below at once. Chapter 2. Understand dependent effect clips. Second, it's a dependent effect clip. Want to apply an effect only to specific clips? If so, try dragging and dropping the desired effect onto that clip. This effect clip inside the clip is a dependent effect clip. Using dependent effect clips, the effect only applies to my parent clip, not the entire track below. You can turn a dependent effect clip into an independent one by dragging it out. Conversely, you can also turn an independent effect clip into a dependent one by inserting it inside another clip. Chapter 3. Edit effect clips. Both effect clips can be edited in the same way as other clips. Adjust the length of the effect with the handle. Edit cuts using the bottom bar buttons. And try adjusting it to the desired value in Edit. Chapter 4. Color correction with adjustment effect. When you want to correct the color of the entire video equally, try using adjustment in video effects. Add adjustment effect clip to the timeline and adjust the parameter value in Edit. Then, you can freely change the color of the video. Stretch this effect clip to fit the length of your project. You can apply the same color to the entire video. If you want to know more about how to edit a specific effect, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.